Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make these Mountain Dew Infused Pickles. So keep watching, I'll show you step by step how to make these. The first thing you want to do is start off with a 24-ounce jar of pickles. Open that up. Next, bring out a large bowl and a strainer. We're going to strain all the liquid from this jar. Leave your pickles in the jar. Next, what I'm going to do is take some Mountain Dew Code Red, because that's what we're using for this one. I'm using a 2-cup measuring cup, and we're going to put 2 cups of that right in there. And that equals 16 ounces. In a separate bowl, I'm going to take those 2 cups and pour that in there. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup, measure out 1 cup of this pickle juice that we already had, and pour it in there. And then a 1/2 cup of sugar. Mix that up. Now bring back your jar of pickles. I am going to use a funnel here and pour this right on in. Now I was making a big mess by doing that, so I poured it into a container that has a pour spout to make things a little easier. And just fill this up. And just put your lid on. Put this in the refrigerator, and every day we want to just shake it up a bit. Now, if you really want to just add some color to that, we could have added some more red food coloring, but I'm going to leave them the color they are and see how they do. And then we're going to move on and do our next flavor of Mountain Dew. Now at this stage, this is purely optional, but I think it'll brighten up the color a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bit of blue food coloring to this and see how it changes it. I think that's nice. That brings out that color nicely. And since the color of Mountain Dew is yellow, we're going to spice it up a bit and just make it green so it'll stand out. I know pickles are green too, so we'll see how it works. Now these pickles were in my refrigerator for about a week. Now each day I did take it and turn it upside down and right side up just to make sure the top parts got covered as well. Now what do you say we open these up and see how they did? Now I can't wait to pull these out and try them and see how they taste and if they taste like Mountain Dew. All right, so let's pull out one of our regular Mountain Dew ones. Look at that. Now for our Code Red. Nice bright red color. And for our Voltage. Well, now it's time for the taste test. Let's see if these actually taste like the Mountain Dew flavors that we infused them with. So let's start with just the regular Mountain Dew. Here we go. Let's give this a shot. in all truthfulness, it tastes like a pickle, but of course it's a pickle. It does have a little different taste, like almost a syrupy more taste than it normally does. So it is a little different, but to really call it tasting like Mountain Dew, I wouldn't quite say that. Maybe the Code Red will be better. Let's give this a shot. Code Red Mountain Dew. Much the same as the regular Mountain Dew one. It just has that like almost a syrupy taste. It's almost like infused with like a syrup more than actual like a Mountain Dew flavor. So for our last one, I'm really not hopeful that it's going to taste like Voltage because the other two really didn't taste like the Mountain Dew ones. But let's give it a shot anyway and see. Surprisingly, that one had the most flavor, most close flavor to Voltage. It still wasn't this like overwhelming Voltage flavor, but it tasted closer to the actual soda than the other two. Don't know why, it just does. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these Mountain Dew Infused Pickles. Now, these were a lot of fun to make. We did not only the regular Mountain Dew, but we also did the Code Red and the Voltage. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you make it for yourself, please share it with me on any of my social media at FunFoodsYT. Also, check out some of the videos I have off to the side. I think you may enjoy those as well. And until then, I'll see you next time.